Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover deleted audio segments in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I have several video clips with audio on my timeline, but I accidentally deleted one of the audio clips. To restore the exact audio segment deleted, first position the playhead over the clip with the missing audio on the timeline. Then go up to the sequence menu and select Match Frame. This will open up the source panel and set the in and out points to match the clip beneath your playhead. Now, centered directly under the preview in the source panel, you'll notice this little waveform button. Click, hold and drag this icon to your timeline and drop it below your clip with the missing audio. Now the exact segment of audio has been restored from the source clip. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.